Morning routine. This video will share with you a yoga sequence to rise, shine. It's brought to you from TULUM. But in my daily routine in the morning, I am waking up, I am setting moments of gratitude, having a couple glasses of water, and when I'm taking my water, I'm also taking my packet of Persona. So this video is brought to you by Persona. It's a personalized nutritional supplement system that you can take a free analysis online. So on that note, we're gonna jump into the yoga video to start your morning routine. As you come to the front of your mat, separate your feet inner hip distance. Take your arms down by your side. Begin by feeling your feet into the earth, just breathing naturally. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead. Reaching long, exhale, forward fold all the way down. Inhale, come to a long spine, hands up to your shins if needed. And exhale, take the hands back down. Inhale, rise all the way back up, arms overhead. And exhale, hands to heart center. Let's repeat that. Inhale, reach the arms up long. And exhale, forward folding all the way. Move with your breath. Inhale, extending the spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, as you rise, reach up through the fingertips. And exhale, hands come back all the way down towards the floor. This time, inhale to a long spine. And exhale, step your left foot back. Left knee lowers to the floor of the mat. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead. Take a back bend. And exhale, sweep the arms down by your side. Flowing with the breath, inhale, arms back up. And exhale, sweep the arms back down by your side. Palms face down. Inhale, low lunge, arms up overhead. And exhale, lower the hands all the way back down. Inhale, reaching back up. You're going to side bend. Grab the left hand, reach up and over to the right side. Maybe allow the hips to sink a little bit closer towards the mat. Breathing. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, lower the hands down towards the mat. Tuck the left toes under. Come to a kneeling position, so you're in tabletop. Lower halfway, low push-up. Cobra pose, slight bend in the elbows, wiggling left, right, and then wiggling over towards the right side. Look over your right shoulder. Come on back to center, tabletop position. Bent knees, downward facing dog. As you ground down through the palms, pedal out the legs, waking up the hamstrings, the back of the legs, your entire spine. Any movement is welcome here. Your practice, your morning, your body's going to be different every day. This time, step the left foot between the hands, right knee lowers down to the floor. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead, low lunge. And like before, exhale, sweep the arms down by your side. Inhale, arms rise back up. And exhale, sweep them back down. Inhale, arms rise overhead. And exhale, sweep the arms down by your side. Inhale, arms back up overhead. Now for the side bend, grab the right wrist, lifting up and over to the left side. As you breathe, imagine the breath lifting from your right hip, through the right side of your ribs, all the way up through your fingertips. Inhale, back on up through center. Lower the hands down towards the floor. Step your right foot up to meet the left. Inhale to a flat back. And exhale, forward folding all the way. Knees are bent. Inhale, rise back up, arms reach up overhead. And exhale, hands connect to heart center. Breathing. Inhale, arms rise back up. Keeping them flowing, you're going to side bend to the right. Ground down through your left foot, deep breath into your left lungs. Inhale back to center, side bend to the left now. As you root down through your right foot, extending long, creating space between the ribs. Inhale back to center, and exhale, forward folding all the way. Inhale, spine lengthens. Exhale, plant the hands, step your left foot back, come into a warrior two, arms windmill open, extending long through the fingertips. Left leg is straight, right knee bent 90 degrees. And reach the right hand up and back, reverse your warrior. Another side bend, deep breath into your right lungs. Inhale back, Right elbow to the right knee, extending the left arm forward. Extended side angle. Reaching long through the left fingertips. Stay grounded through the outer edge of your left foot. Lengthen through the left side of your body. Inhale, rise, warrior two. And exhale, hands lower back down towards the floor. Step back, downward facing dog. This time, shift forward to a plank position. You're going to lower to a low push-up. Upward facing dog on the inhale. Lifting up and back, downward facing dog, exhale. Right leg lifts high, inhale. Come into a three-legged dog, right knee bends. Stay grounded down through both of your palms. And exhale, right knee, right elbow. Step the right foot outside the right hand. So twisting, right hand comes inside the right knee. Press back through the left heel, left leg is straight. You're twisting, spine extending, deep breathing. Each exhale an opportunity to twist a little more. Come on back to center, lower the right hand down towards the floor. You're going to step your left foot outside the left hand. Lower the hips down. Keep a long spine. Move yourself around as you need to. Malasana prayer squat, opening up the inner hips, extending the spine. I like to use my elbows sometimes here. And lower the hands down towards the floor. You're going to wiggle the feet back, inner hip distance. And exhale, forward folding in. Inhale, arms rise up overhead. And exhale, forward fold back down. Let's do the other side. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, step your right foot back. Warrior two. So as the arms windmill open. Again, spine is extended. Left knee is bent. Right leg straight. Gaze steady. As you go into reverse warrior, flip the left palm up and back. Stay light in your right hand. Deep breath into your left lungs. Breathing. Inhale, extended side angle, left elbow to left knee. Right hand extends forward. Gaze wherever feels best on your neck or up at those right fingertips. Here you want to stay light in the left elbow. So it's just there, not support, just there. Inhale, rise back up, warrior two. A little different this time, turn the left toes in, interlace the hands at the small of your back. Extending through the arms, lift up through the chest. You're going to forward fold, let the arms reach up overhead, stretching out those shoulders. Now you can bend both knees here or keep the legs straight. Legs are straight, ground down through the big toes, engage the quads, and relax the neck. Breathing and letting go. Release that bind of the hands. Lift all the way back up. You're going to step on back, downward facing dog. Pedal the legs out. Inhale, shift forward to a plank. Exhale, low push-up. Upward facing dog on the inhale. Downward facing dog on the exhale. Finish off the side. Left leg lifts high. Inhale. Three-legged dog as you bend the left knee. Shoulders are level. Maybe the right heel comes a little closer towards the ground. Left knee towards your left elbow to step the left foot outside the left hand. In a twist. Bring your shoulders back. Chest is open. Right leg straight. And twisting on each exhale. Come on back to center. You're going to step the right foot outside the right hand once again. Come into Malasana prayer squat to lower the butt down towards the ground. It's a nice transition to set up for your bridge pose and our back bends. So as you lower all the way down towards your back, knees are bent, fingertips almost touch the heels. You're going to press down through the entire soles of your feet, lift the hips up. Maybe interlace the hands, wiggle the shoulders under, side to side. Your gaze is up towards the sky. Now you have the option to stay here or work your way into a wheel. Wheel, fingertips come towards your shoulders, prop up to your head first, and press down through the palms and elevate from there. The upper back lifts, and in either posture, your heart is pressing towards the back of the wall. Gently come on down, either posture, bridge or wheel. Take a moment to relax your spine back down towards the ground. When you're ready, give your knees a squeeze in towards your chest. Rock a little side to side. Nice big squeeze. This also helps your digestion here. You're going to rock your way up to seated. Extend the legs long out in front of you. And into a twist, bend your right knee. Cross the right foot over your left. Left arm lifts up high, inhale. And exhale, twisting. Twist over to the right. Breathe in. And out. And simply switch sides. Left foot comes over the right knee. Long spine, inhale. And on the exhale, twisting. Work your way back to center. Cross-legged position. And just thank yourself for this time here. Thumb knuckles to your third eye. And finally making your way to heart center. Be proud of yourself for including this into your morning routine, warriors. May you be healthy, may you be happy, may you be free.